Hello and welcome back to another video on Unpack Technologies. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing the Apple Pencil 2nd generation. This Apple Pencil is compatible with all of the iPads with the new squared off design, with the exception of the iPad 10th generation. So let's get straight into it. Alright, so I saw this on sale at my local JB Hi-Fi for about $50 off, so that was the lowest price I'd seen in a while, so I thought I might as well pick one up. I've been looking at one of these for a while, and I'm quite excited to get into it. So this pencil will work with, as I said earlier, all the iPads with the newer squared off design. So if I bring in my iPad here, you can see any iPad with this sort of boxier edge design. You can see the little magnetic connector on there, which is where it connects to, and it's any iPad with USB-C essentially, with the exception of the 10th generation iPad, which has that ridiculous method of connecting via a USB-C to Lightning adapter. I think that's pretty ridiculous, but I probably wouldn't recommend anyone buys that iPad. My particular iPad there is the 2020 iPad Pro 11-inch with the A12Z processor, but as I said, this works for a wide range of iPads, and it's the latest Apple Pencil that Apple currently sells. So we'll just take a quick look around the box and then we'll unbox it. So on the front here, it just shows a picture of the Apple Pencil. On the left and right side, it just says Apple Pencil there. On the top and bottom, there's nothing. And then underneath, there's just some serial numbers and other model number information. So let's get straight into the unboxing here. So we'll just peel away the seal. There we go. Just peel it away off the box here. Like so. And then all we have to do is, oh yeah, it pulls out here. So we'll go to this little bit of plastic and pull it out, a little bit like an Apple Watch. So it says at the front, designed by Apple in California. If we pull this out, we've just got some very basic documentation in this little folder here. So just some random stuff there, and then also a quick start guide where it shows to connect it to the top of your iPad and how to change some of the tips and all that stuff. So if we put that to the side, you'll see that we have then the Apple Pencil itself, and we can just take off this little plastic seal around it. And then here it is, the Apple Pencil itself. Now, I'm not sure if it comes with any other tips in the packet, or whether it's just one tip. I can't see anything else here. So maybe it doesn't come with any other tips there. But that's the pencil itself. So now I'll just show you. I'll bring in my iPad here, and then I'm just going to magnetically attach it to the top. It has the pencil, so it shows it there, and that says welcome to Apple Pencil. So I'll just take a quick screenshot of this. Create a quick note, scribble, switch tools with a gesture, and easily capture screenshots. So there's lots of options that come with having an Apple Pencil here. So we can just click continue, and then we can try a little bit of scribble here to see how we go. That actually magnetically attaches quite strong there. You can see it's come with 68% charge. But if we just give this a go, hello, this is a test. Excuse the messy handwriting, that's it's hard to write doing this on film, but just missed a little space there. But other than that, it's worked out quite well, and you can see that it is all working quite nicely. So you can see that that's quite nice there. You can attach it to the top again, and then we can just click continue. We can explore double tapping. So let's have a look here. Double tap. Maybe if you choose two to go Double tap on the Apple Pencil to switch between the tool you're using and the eraser. Oh, there we go. Oh, nice. So that works quite well there. So then we can just click done, and then we're all good to go. And then we can open something like notes, and then we can just do a little bit of writing here. And just from first impressions, it seems to work all quite nicely here. It's quite a nice feeling. And looking at the magnetic attachment, it all seems to hold on quite strong. So I don't think you're going to have any issues with it just falling off from just a little bump. So even when I bumped it, it didn't completely fall off there. So that's a good sign. So yeah, that's the quick unboxing experience of the Apple Pencil 2nd generation here. I'm looking forward to giving it a bit more of a go with my iPad. I'm starting to use it a bit more again, just for some basic note taking and things like that. So I'm really excited to give this a go and see how it goes over the next few months or so. And let me know in the comments below if you would like to see a more long-term review of this pencil once I've used it for a bit longer with my iPad, because I'm more than happy to make that if you'd like to see that. And with that, thanks for watching this video on Unpacked Technologies. Hopefully it was helpful in giving you an idea what the unboxing experience is like and the setup of the pencil and just initial first impressions. Don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video.